2019.
Boop, boop. All right, here we are, documenting. What's up, Jenny?
What's up?
We're hanging out in Sarah's boat. There's Sarah. Hi, Sarah. We're getting ready to sail the 7 seas. Where are we gonna hit to this weekend? The Caribbean?
Yep.
Then we're gonna do the Turks and Caicos, and then just kidding.
We can just get this engine.
I think we're gonna do the marina.
Get the engine running.
Yeah, I think we might just do the marina. I don't know. Let me climb out here real quick. Oh yeah. So today is working engine day. Alright, we're on Sarah's boat here. Here comes, I believe it's a C-130. Doing a nice low pass. On video things never look as cool as they look in real life.
Zoom in. Just landing gear down.
Yeah, they put the gear down and the flaps down. See the flaps pointed almost straight down? Alright guys, here is what I came to work on Sarah's boat, is this Maxwell Windlass. So the cables were really loose. And you can see here that they just wiggled, and then I noticed that the whole stud was wiggling and rotating with the cable on the ground wire there and one of the positive wires. Alright guys, I'm here working on my sister's boat, the Blue Moon, and it's a 1986 Norseman 40-footer, and the windlass stopped working, and I took it apart and found this. So this stud was rotating, and this was where one of the power wires was bolted to it, and you can see here that the bolt can spin all the way around, and so it was lost its connection here. So what I'm going to try to do is a quick repair here, is solder this back together. So wish me luck, and hopefully we'll get this thing working again for this weekend at least. Alright, so what I did was hiked up into town. We bought a soldering iron, and I was able to get this thing soldered. Not the greatest, and I didn't get it on film. Alright, so just got that soldered. Not the greatest solder job, but I'm kind of limited on my tools here. But I just checked the cap here, and they're working good. So this is a dual winding motor, I guess you call it, where it goes forward and reverse. And so I'm gonna go throw it back on there and see what happens. He's got the lazy jacks. Captain Spear off. It's Captain Sarah. Arr! Arr, Windies. Alright, so I got this baby back installed, and I zip tied off the wires so they are not flailing like they were before, and everything seems to be pretty hunky-dory. I'm not really digging these giant the holes that they have in these connectors. I had to put some washers on there, but everything seems pretty good. So chain piles up in here. Not quite sure what's up with the Bondo spreaders or spacers up there. I'll have to deal with that next time. But let's go up top and watch this baby work. Alright, so here's the windlass. The chain's hooked. Alright. Yay! Yay! Alright, well, I guess we're going to end our trip here. The Blue Angels just flew again. And we got the boat all cleaned up, swabbed the decks, furled the sails, covered the bimini. And until next time we come out here on the Norseman 40. I never made a video of this, but I sewed up this Dodger last year. It's pretty fun. Anyways, guys, hope this helped you out a little bit. Peace out.
Bye.